How to recharge Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recharge Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically recharge Netflix, all we have to do is, you don't need to recharge Netflix by the way, because as long as your payment method is there, you're going to get automatically charged next month until you don't cancel the subscription. So to verify your payment method, I would just recommend that you open up your browser and then just go to netflix.com and then you sign into your account. Then tap the three lines option here and then just go to this option here that says account, and once you go to this account option, simply scroll here, you'll find the option called manage payment method. So when you tap on manage payment method, just check if your payment method is working just fine and your subscription will still be active unless you tap the cancel membership option. So basically, as I said, to recharge it, just make sure that your card have enough balance, and after that you will get automatically charged. You don't have to recharge it manually yourself. That's all it takes to recharge Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.